Hello students, welcome to social online classes, and today we are going to start chapter number 2.3, our water resources. As you all know how water is important for us. Water plays an important role in human being life. So here, water is the most important thing on the earth. It is a free gift of nature without which no life is possible. No man, bird, animals or plant can live without water. We depend on water for all our needs. We need water for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning and cooking. But one of the most important use of water is irrigation. We can't grow any crop without irrigating our fields. Irrigation means supplying the land or crops with water. Let's discuss the various sources of water in our country. Before discussing, let me show you some pictures related to water resources. Here, this picture shows what is a watershed. A land area which produces runoff draining to a common part or point is called watershed. In this picture, you can see how river and ground flow water makes a combination. How water evaporate and makes rainfall. Global water resources. This picture shows the actual resource of water in earth. Groundwater shows and tells us that escape is a closed container called a water table. This condition prevents it from becoming dirty. It is safe from domestic waste. It is safe from poisonous chemical. Sources of water. Rain is the main source of water. It fills up the rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, wells, which are the other important sources of water. Wells are used mainly in villages. Wells supply underground water. Tube wells. It has a tube or a pipe fitted to an underground source of water. An electrical or diesel pump is used to pump the water. With continuing the chapter, rains. Rainwater is the best means of irrigation, but we don't have rains all the year. We get rain mostly in the month of July and August. Sometimes the rain are too late, sometimes they are too early. Sometimes the rain are too heavy and they are floods. Sometimes there are none at all and there are famines. So we can't depend on the rain for our irrigation. Rivers. A large natural stream of water is called a river. We have many big rivers in India. Among them, the most important are Satluj, Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra in North India. They rise in the Himalayas and have water throughout the year. The Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are in the southern plateau. They have water only when there are rains. So this is a picture of India. We shows the rivers situated in India. So in next video we will continue with the chapter Children, now from class 1 to 5, the exam is postponed for some days. Is postponed for some days. Within some days, we will get a new date for the exam, and class 1 to 5 will have their exam on the new date. And the exam is pre-midterm. So don't stop studying. Your exam will be confirmed. It will have. Don't think so that you don't have to give the exam. From 17th of August, class 6th onwards, exam is starting, class 6 to 12. With the new date, class 1 to 5 students have to give the exam. And class 4 students, social midterm portion is till 1.6, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 and 1.6. Unit 1 whole 1.1 to 1.6. All the 6 chapters will come in your pre-mid exam. Class 4 social pre-mid exam, chapter 1.1 to 1.6. Okay, thank you.